false reading long documents like essays, assignments, research papers or academic papers can be a huge pain, but there are many AI tools which can help us reading documents or summarize documents with ease. But which one is the best AI document reader? Well, not just best, which is the best free AI document reader? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Keep watching the video, and by the end of this, you will also be able to know about the best AI document reader which can help us chat with any documents with ease. Hey folks, myself Akhil from Develop Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all the best free AI document reader that helps you chat with any document and get instant replies. For using this best AI document reader, we can extract key insights and get summarized information about any documents instantly, which helps to save time and increase efficiency. So let's get started to know more about best free AI document reader, which is Tenorshare ChatDOC. Tenorshare ChatDOC is the best free AI document reader that helps to chat with any document and obtain key information from long documents in seconds. We can summarize documents and read more to get information from any documents compared to manual reading of a document. Simply upload and start chatting with any document. So let's get started to know how to use Tenorshare ChatDOC to chat with any documents. And for that, simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit Tenorshare ChatDOC official website. Now click Start Chatting for free. This opens up Tenorshare AI Doc tool. Here we can simply upload a document to get started with chatting. We can also use this sample document to try it. Let's upload our own document, and for that simply click on this. Now this opens Windows file picker. Here I have a document, Introduction to SEO ebook. Selected it to import. Once imported, here we have a few questions that we can ask with our document, or we can also ask any question that we want to. Let's summarize document, and for that asking Tenorshare ChatDOC to summarize Introduction to SEO, and within a few seconds here we have a summary of our document. Wow, that's impressive. Here we have a brief summary of the document that describes our document so well. Let's ask a few more questions like best ways to do SEO, and within seconds we get a complete answer from our document. Wow, that's so cool. We can ask as many questions as we want to. Let's ask another. What is internal linking? Within few seconds we have the answer. Wow, that's impressive. Tenorshare ChatDOC is so useful for students and readers. So for that's how easily we can chat with any documents using Tenorshare ChatDOC, and I will highly recommend you all to try it out. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Develop Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new video. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Taki Akhil. For watching, see you all in the next. Today I wanna show you all best free PDF summarizer AI tool that can help you summarize PDF documents with ease. Best AI presentation maker in 2024 that helps to generate slides free in seconds only.